Elliott Aviation's air medical capabilities can be as simple or unique as you can imagine. Whether you've got a one-off aircraft or whether you've got a fleet of aircraft that you want to refurbish, reconfigure, we have a great team that can sit down behind the scenes and really attack all of the details of a project from start to finish.
There's a lot more into it than just doing an interior refurb, because you got the med bed that has to be built, all the different components that go in it, depending on the configuration and the different models of the aircraft. Requires different things as far as getting the stretcher in and out and changing up the configuration.
Fit, form, and function will remain. We're also going to use materials to make your life simpler, whether that's for cleanability, durability, future maintenance.
Materials we use in the air medicals has got to be durable, maintenance-free. We want it to last for years. We don't want the aircraft to have to go down for maintenance on interior items, so we want to make sure that it's durable, solid materials, such as the PVC and the Kydex that we use for the cabinetry.
All ultra leathers used in our air medical reconfigurations are antimicrobial. They're going to assist with the cleanability and durability of your end product for years to come. Elliott Aviation also offers an ECMO transport system that we've developed and helped push out. Our solution is there to assist in safety. With any air medical reconfiguration, we will help provide the certification path and all paperwork so that your aircraft is ready upon delivery.
For me, it's rewarding knowing that we are helping and that this is all for a good cause.
It's rewarding in the fact that knowing that this aircraft is going to help save lives and knowing that the specialists involved are going to have a more convenient workspace. From start to finish, we have the knowledge and expertise to find you the best solution for your mission.